ਡਾਕਟਰ ਅਲੀ ਕਨਾਨੀ ਆਰਥੋਡੋਂਟਿਕਸ ਦੇ ਸਰਟੀਫਾਈਡ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲਿਸਟ ਹਨ ਜੋ ਹਰ ਕਿਸਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਦੰਦਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮਸ ਨੂੰ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਨ। ਆਰਥੋਕੈਡ IQ ਦੇ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਗਾਈਡਡ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਟੀਮਲ ਬ੍ਰੈਕਟ ਪਲੇਸਮੈਂਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਨ। ਮਿਨੀ ਸਟੇਨਲੈਸ ਸਟੀਲ ਬ੍ਰੇਸਿਸ, 골ਡ ਬ੍ਰੇਸਿਸ, ਕਲੀਅਰ ਬ੍ਰੇਸਿਸ ਤੇ ਇਨਵਿਸਲਾਈਨ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਵੀ ਉਪਲਬਧ ਹੈ। ਜੇਕਰ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਖਾਣਾ ਚਬਾਉਣ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੁਸ਼ਕਿਲ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਸਪੀਚ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮਸ ਜਾਂ ਐਬਨੋਰਮਲ ਬਾਈਟਸ ਹਨ ਤਾਂ ਪਹੁੰਚੋ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਅਲੀ ਕਨਾਨੀ ਕੋਲ। ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟਿੰਗ ਬਿਊਟੀਫੁਲ ਸਮਾਈਲਸ, ਇਲਾਜ ਕਰਾਓ ਤੇ 에ਅਰ ਮਾਈਲਸ ਵੀ ਪਾਓ।
ਸੋ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦਾ ਜੀ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਫਿਰ ਆਪ ਸਭ ਦਾ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਰਿਲੀਜੀਅਸ ਸੈਗਮੈਂਟ ਵਿੱਚ। ਪਿਛਲੇ ਲੰਮੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਤੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਹਰ ਥਰਸਡੇ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਆਸਾ ਕੀ ਵਾਰ ਦੀ ਵਿਆਖਿਆ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿ ਮੇਰਾ ਸਾਥ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਹਰਬੰਸ ਸਿੰਘ ਕੰਡੋਲਾ। ਮਕਸਦ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮਸ ਦਾ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਚੱਲ ਸਕੇ ਕਿ ਅਸਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਧਰਮ ਹੈ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਧਰਮ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਮਕਸਦ ਹੈ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮਸ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ 'ਤੇ ਫੋਕਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਖੁਸ਼ਹਾਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਾਲ ਇੱਕ ਚੰਗੀ ਸਿਵਿਕ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਕਾਇਮ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਧਰਮ ਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਅਹਿਮੀਅਤ ਹੈ, ਪਰ ਉਹ ਧਰਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਿਰਫ ਪਖੰਡਾਂ 'ਚ ਪੈ ਜਾਈਏ ਜਾਂ ਸਿਰਫ ਰਿਚੁਅਲਸ ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਅਪਣਾ ਲਈਏ। ਉਸ ਧਰਮ ਦੀ ਸਿੱਖੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਥਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ। ਇਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਮੁੱਖ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਆਓ ਅੱਜ ਅੱਗੇ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਆਸਾ ਕੀ ਵਾਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਰ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਜੋ ਪਰਿਵਰਤਨ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੀ ਸੋਚ ਵਿੱਚ ਧਰਮ ਨੂੰ ਮੁੱਖ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਆ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਆਓ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਹਰਬੰਸ ਸਿੰਘ ਕੰਡੋਲਾ ਦਾ। ਜੀ ਆਨੰਦ ਜੀ, ਵੈਲਕਮ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ,
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
Harpreet ji, as you mentioned, that when I'm trying to understand Gurbani and read a lot about religion, spirituality, other related literature about, listen to the scholars, I'm just coming to think to the point that religion, spirituality is the subject of mind.
Right.
Brain, our consciousness, buddhi, the man, the subject.
Ji.
Okay. And it is about human behavior.
Very
Religion is about human behavior.
Right.
It is about godly value system and virtues, attaining those values.
Ji.
It is about the way of life, how to be a good human being.
That's right.
And I would say the rest all is superfluous and worthless.
Ji.
All the religious practices we do, Harpreet ji, should be focused about changing our behavior.
That's true.
That the whole focus should be, everything we do religious practices, our focus should be to change our behavior and attain those value systems.
Very true.
And the rest is, I would say, is worthless.
Right.
And that's where we try to make effort so that we can understand the concept and so that we can live a happy life. That's where the focus should be.
Right.
Do everything in the Gurdwaras, seva and everything. The focus should be, how is my behavior changing?
Because of what I'm doing.
Am I becoming santokhi?
Right.
Am I becoming humble? Am I becoming tolerant?
Ji.
And that, if that is not happening, then we got to look inside.
We need to work more on ourselves.
Exactly. Then we need to reevaluate what I'm doing. Maybe it's not, we have to do it a little bit of different
Very right.
way. So in this context, we started talking about last time the misconceptions about the concept of Atma in the same context.
Ji.
Soul, Viru, University, Gurbani in the context of Gurbani. The whole life after death theories are based on the premise
Ji.
that Atma, soul, is immortal. Reincarnation theory, heaven and hell theory, karma theory, and
Ji.
salvation after death. They are all based on, because the premise is the Atma is immortal. I, Harpreet ji, dare to say
Ji.
that all these were human created ways to exploit common people,
Okay.
behavior control, for greed, power, and status.
Okay.
Not to make humans good human beings. And not to, Guru Nanak Padsha was, Harpreet ji, in the Asa di War, is very critical about such manipulations.
Okay.
And very candid and very critical about such manipulations. He categorically and beyond any doubt, Harpreet ji, he said, I do not know what happens after death.
Right.
I do not believe in life after death. I do not want to pursue this subject of life after death. This subject is meaningless for me.
जी.
All the theories of life after death are wasteful and it's meaningless for me.
Okay.
I believe salvation here and now. And this is the life we have.
जी.
That's the concept of Guru Nanak Pasha.
Right.
And this is, I believe, in the present. As we discussed, religion is a human creation to meet human needs.
That's
we
right.
mentioned last time. Here is the most significant human created story. When we talk about these all are human created ways to exploit people.
जी.
And here is one story, Harpreet ji, I want to mention, created by humans I don't know, out of ignorance of the laws of nature
जी.
or by deliberately, but this is the story. It's called the Immaculate Conception.
Okay.
Because it's very significant, that's why I want to mention that.
Sure.
Under the creation theory, Harpreet ji, the God created heaven and Adam and Eve. They created the universe 6,000 years back. On the sixth day, create Adam and Eve. And Adam and Eve disobeyed the God,
जी.
committed sin. And they were kicked out of the heaven.
जी.
And all humans are the descendant children of Adam and Eve. Okay, that's why they're born sinful. And Jesus was born out of the wedding of Mary and Joseph. So if that is the case, they had a problem because Jesus was a God, he will be sinful.
जी.
And then they created a theory, a virgin birth of Jesus, that the God himself came into the womb of Mary.
Mary, yeah.
And now, this was true until 1854. It was about 100,000 years before it was created, that's about 100 years back.
Right.
And so now people know that this is not true. 21st century people don't believe in this kind of stories.
Right.
And interestingly, a similar story was created for Mata Ganga.
Okay.
Guru Arjan Pacha, when we went to the Baba Buddha ji kol gaye si,
Yeah.
a similar story is attached to
Okay.
Mata Ganga ji as well.
Uh-huh.
So all these hell, heaven, reincarnation, karma theory, Harpreet ji, as all the religious practices, as it all control of human behavior. And now think about that. Does anybody become gurmukh or virtuous through fear or scared of hell?
No.
Never. And does anybody become gurmukh through for the reward of heaven?
No.
This does not happen, Harpreet ji. This was a cruel joke with humanity.
Right.
And such behavior controlling tactics always suppress life. It's never make a person spiritually awakened.
जी.
Now, what important to realize here, as we discussed Asa Di War, is Guru Nanak Pasha completely changed the meaning of religion, as we discussed. He said, I am a man of God. I don't belong to a religion.
जी.
And the landscape of the religious world, Guru Nanak Pasha, when came, he changed that.
जी.
And he totally rejected the worthless religious practices, as we discussed in the Asa Di War, useless rituals based on superstitious beliefs, baseless superstitious belief. And Guru Pasha said, realizing truth and truthful living,
Is the
that's
highest.
what matters.
Yeah.
I'm a man of God, I belong to no religion. It's a sad story that what Guru Nanak Pasha taught, we continue practicing.
Well, it's yes, not only practicing, it is spreading much more. All
Much
those
more.
superstitions which were taught by Guru Nanak Sahib.
Yeah.
These are the things which have entered into our gurdwaras and religious places.
And for years and years, that's unfortunately continue. But as we discussed previously, that
Some awareness is
slowly,
also coming.
exactly, a lot of
Yeah.
awareness is being,
Right.
delivered out, and people are realizing the 21st
They've
century
started to
people.
think on those grounds now.
Exactly.
Earlier, even that thinking was not there. So now
Yeah.
they are thinking about
starting
it.
to
Yeah.
think about those. Just a word about the Atma, Harpreet ji.
Ji.
In the Gurbani has appeared 12 times.
Okay.
Okay, for 5 times it has appeared for Satguru, for God. Atma Deo Pujiye, gur ka sahaj sabhai.
जी
Atma Deo means God, Rabji, divine wisdom, Shabd Guru. Not as Parma or super soul as is believed. Now, Atma is come 7 times for self, for Appa, Apana, self-consciousness
जी.
is come in this. Atma adol na dolai, gur ke pae sabai. It's self-consciousness, Surt Buddhi, not soul or Atma or Ruh as discussed.
जी.
Gurbani talks about the present, we have discussed this many times. Nanak Sij Ave Hawar.
जी.
This is the life we have, and we should actually make the emphasis to succeed what we have. This is the life we have.
Okay.
The last word on it, Guru Nanak Patsha in here says, I do not know what keeps us alive, whether it's Chetan, Shakti, energy, or Atma. Scientists say it's oxygen.
जी.
But Guru says, I do not want to pursue the subject of life after death. This is a meaningless. All the theories after death are meaningless to me. I believe in life here and now, living in the present, and that should be good enough for every Sikh.
Right.
No. After that, then we start on the slok
Ji.
of Guru Pacha.
Right. So before we start the slok, we'll go for a break and come back and then start discussing. And as far as this example which you gave, if our Christian brothers believe in this, it is their faith, they are most welcome. But in Sikhism, it is that we believe in
But
the present.
even Harpiji, even if they are believing,
Right.
they're misleading people.
Right.
If they can believe that, but
Right.
but how they? I just read a survey. Then the 85% of the Christians don't believe in that.
Right.
All the modern scholars of Christianity
Right.
don't believe
They're
in
not
that.
believing in
Who
that.
are you
Think-
fooling,
think-
right? In the
right.
21st century.
We'll go for a short break, come back and continue with the discussion
Thank you.
after this break.